How would you like to learn how to create high converting sales funnels for any business, even if you have no idea what a sales funnel is? I'm also going to show you how to extract hundreds of leads from Facebook using 100% free marketing methods after I teach you how to set up a high converting sales funnel for whatever business you want to promote. But that's not it. You're even going to receive my 7-day high converting universal email follow-up sequence, which might be a tongue twister, but you can use this email follow-up sequence for any product, business, service you want to promote, and it converts like crazy. You're going to receive all this on the next page, but that's not it. I've also got a bonus. I'm also going to give you access to my sales funnel. This is my highest converting sales funnel, and you're going to be able to copy it and leverage it as your own. I'm going to give you the landing pages, the sales pages, the videos, the email follow-up. I'm also going to show you how to get traffic to it, as I stated before, and this is all absolutely free. Simply enter your name and email, and I'll see you on the next page inside of the training.